Hey guys, and welcome back again to my channel, The Appalachian Home. So today I thought you guys would enjoy to see how to make these little farmhouse letters. I'm getting ready to redo my dining room and I'm going to post that video soon, but I thought you guys would enjoy seeing how you can make these letters. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I sketched out a pattern on some paper to get the size I wanted for the letters, and I will have a copy of these plans on my website, and I'll leave a link below if you guys want to download them. And I made these 13 inches high and 9 inches wide, and the letter thickness is 2 3/4 inches. So I will be ripping down some boards to 2 3/4 inches to create the letters. I used a table saw to rip the boards, and the distance between the blade and guide I set to 2 3/4 inches. And I'm using some scrap 1x6s I had in my shop. After ripping these boards down, I started cutting the boards to length, and the lengths you will need to create for these letters are as follows. If you want to pause this video and write these down, you can do that. I also have a link to these in the description box. For the A, I cut the boards to length and then angled the ends at a 15-degree angle. I just set my saw at 15 degrees and cut the ends from the corner. Also, where the legs of the A meet, I cut that at a 60-degree angle at one end. Now I'm just sanding all the pieces that I've cut really well before I attach them together. I let those dry for about 1 hour, and now I'm just going to use some Kreg screws and wood glue to attach the letters. I'm going to drill holes using a Kreg tool at all of these points where the letters are going to meet. And you can do this using just a regular drill, and I'm going to link the Kreg that I use down below so that you guys can check it out. Now I'm going to place some wood glue between all of the joints just to give it some extra support before that I actually screw in my pieces. After putting the glue between the joints, I'm going to clamp the pieces together, and I'm just using this small little block that I cut off one of the ends of the A. That's a 15-degree angle, and I'm using that to clamp the A. So now that I have all of my pieces glued and clamped together, I'm just going to flip them over and use my drill and Kreg screws to attach them. And I'm just using the Kreg brand screws. They're 1 1/4 inches long. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I love to read your all's comments, and I hope to see you guys back again in a couple days with another video.